The McLaren 12C, originally known as the MP4 12C, stands as one of the most significant supercars of the modern era, representing McLaren Automotive's bold return to the road car segment after the legendary F1. And in this comprehensive review, we take a deep dive into every detail of this groundbreaking machine, exploring its design, performance, technology, driving dynamics, and overall ownership experience. Starting with the exterior, where the 12C showcases a sleek aerodynamic body sculpted with pure race-bred engineering, featuring a carbon fiber composite chassis called the MonoCell that not only reduces weight but enhances rigidity and safety. And its smooth flowing lines, dihedral doors, dramatic side air intakes, and minimalistic styling all contribute to its clean yet highly aggressive appearance. While the LED headlights, integrated rear spoiler, and centrally mounted exhausts further accentuate its futuristic identity. And stepping inside the cabin, you're greeted by a driver-centric interior blending luxury with functionality, offering Alcantara or leather upholstery, carbon fiber trims, and a minimalist dashboard dominated by the Iris system that controls navigation, media, and vehicle settings, though early models were critiqued for software glitches that McLaren later refined. But despite that, the cabin delivers superb visibility, sport seats, and an overall cockpit-like vibe that enhances the driving experience. And when it comes to performance, the McLaren 12C is powered by a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged V8 developed in-house by McLaren, producing around 592 horsepower in early models and later upgraded to 616 horsepower, paired with a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that delivers instantaneous gear changes, allowing the 12C to sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in about 3.1 seconds and reach a top speed of around 330 km per hour. Figures that firmly establish it in the upper tier of supercars of its generation. And beyond raw acceleration, the true magic of the 12C lies in its handling, thanks to McLaren's proactive chassis control system, which eliminates traditional anti-roll bars and replaces them with hydraulically linked dampers, giving the car an unmatched combination of comfort and razor-sharp cornering ability, allowing drivers to glide smoothly over bumps yet attack corners with surgical precision. And when you switch between normal, sport, and track modes, the car dynamically adapts, changing suspension stiffness, throttle response, and transmission behavior to suit the driver's preference. And the steering is hydraulic rather than electric, offering crisp feedback that enhances confidence at high speeds, making the 12C one of the most naturally balanced and engaging supercars to drive. And the braking performance is equally impressive, with carbon ceramic brakes available as an option, providing consistent stopping power even under extreme conditions, and the air brake system, inspired by Formula One technology, automatically deploys the rear spoiler to increase downforce and stability during high-speed braking, further improving stopping distances and overall control. And as for the exhaust note, the 12C may not be as loud or theatrical as some Italian rivals, but it delivers a refined, turbocharged growl that grows more aggressive as the revs climb, creating a unique character that suits the car's technologically advanced personality. And speaking of technology, the McLaren 12C is packed with advanced engineering innovations, including launch control, brake steer, a system derived from McLaren's F1 cars that helps tighten cornering lines by braking the inside rear wheel, active aerodynamics, lightweight construction, and a highly advanced stability management system that ensures both safety and performance are never compromised, making the 12C not just fast, but incredibly intelligent in how it deploys its power. And in terms of practicality, the 12C offers a surprising level of usability for a supercar, with a front trunk large enough for weekend luggage, comfortable seats suitable for longer drives, and decent reliability by exotic car standards. Although early models required software updates and occasional fixes to refine electronics. But McLaren's continuous improvements and customer support made the ownership experience steadily better. And fuel economy, while not the focus of a supercar, remains reasonable thanks to the efficient twin-turbo V8 engine, giving the 12C an edge in long-distance usability compared to some naturally aspirated competitors. And from a design philosophy perspective, the McLaren 12C embodies the brand's obsession with lightweight engineering, aerodynamics, and Formula One technology, making it a car created not just for straight-line speed, but for complete driving mastery. And on the road, the 12C feels incredibly composed, whether cruising on highways or attacking mountain roads, offering a blend of comfort, responsiveness, and precision that few supercars of its era could match. and the combination of low weight, high horsepower, and active systems gives it a smooth, fluid driving feel with zero drama unless you intentionally push it to its limits, where it reveals deep reserves of performance and mechanical grip. And compared to rivals like the Ferrari 458 Italia, Lamborghini Gallardo, or Porsche 911 Turbo of its time, the 12C stands out for its engineering-first approach, focusing less on emotional theatrics and more on pure, calculated speed, advanced technology, and clinical precision. Though some critics argued that the 12C lacked the soulful, charismatic personality of Italian supercars. But many enthusiasts appreciate its technical excellence and everyday usability, making it a unique entry in the supercar world. And as McLaren's first modern production car, the 12C laid the foundation for future models like the 650S, 720S, and P1, with its innovations influencing McLaren's design language and engineering philosophy for years to come. And overall, the McLaren 12C remains an extraordinary supercar that blends cutting-edge technology, breathtaking performance, lightweight engineering, and a surprisingly comfortable driving experience, making it not only a milestone in McLaren's history, but also one of the most influential performance cars of the 2010s, a machine built with a deep understanding of physics, aerodynamics, and motorsport heritage, offering drivers an experience that is both thrilling and refined, delivering raw power yet maintaining a level of precision that feels almost surgical. And as we wrap up this full detailed review of the McLaren 12C, the verdict is clear. This car is more than just a supercar. It's a statement of engineering mastery, a testament to what happens when a Formula One team applies its knowledge to the road. And even today, it remains a competitive, desirable, and highly respected machine that continues to impress enthusiasts, collectors, and drivers around the world with its timeless design, groundbreaking suspension system, powerful twin-turbo V8, and uniquely McLaren driving feel.